friends, we are Sky Technologies. In this session, we are going to see the Workcenter formulas. This is the continuation video of standard value key, and let me taking through the screen. So first we need to go to SPRO screen. Then for there itself we need to go to production. Then production we need to go to basic data. Then there itself Workcenter. Then general data, capacity planning, their Workcenter formulas. Yes. So last class we are discussed about the parameters. The parameter is placing a major role in Workcenter formula as well. So for example, I can show you one Workcenter for your reference. So in this Workcenter, we can able to see the setup formula and processing formula, and in the scheduling we can see the setup time for machine and machine time for processing formula also. Then in a casting tab we can see the setup time, machine time and labor time. So like that we are configuring the formulas. So in this session I will give a detailed things about the formulas. Let me taking through the formula screen. So for creating a formula, we need to prepare some parameter things. Let me tell you one by one. So for that, see actually for calculating the machine processing time, we need to consider these are the parameters. So that is SAP underscore 02 and SAP underscore 09, then SAP underscore 08. So what it is? So SAP underscore 02 is nothing but it's a machine time. Let me show you here. See, SAP underscore 02 is a machine time, and we are using 08 and as well as 09. So that is basic quantity is 08 and 09 is a operational quantity. Yeah. So by considering the machine processing time, we need to divide the operation quantity by base quantity, and we need to multiply with the machine hours. Okay, so here I am taking 4 hours is a machine running time. So this is how we need to populate the formula in a formula tab. Okay, so for example here SAP underscore 02 is a machine time. I am considering this is for 4 hours, and this is a operational quantity. So per operation I can get 10 quantities, and this is a base unit. So base quantity I'm considering as 1. So this is my machine operation processing time. So operational quantity, that is 10 divided by base quantity which is 10, and I'm going to multiply with the machine time, that is SAP 02. So I can get 40 hours. Okay, so let me taking through the SAP screen for getting these things. So this is my Workcenter formula screen. So I'm going to create a new one. So For this formula key I can give some that pp007 I'm just giving. So this is for processing machine time, processing machine time. So I'm going to here use the formula. So I'm copying this. This formula is consist of parameters. So already we have discussed about the parameters in a standard value key. I will attach that video also in that video. And so this is how I'm going to generate the formula for processing machine time data. Okay, so once it is done I'm going to activate these things. So I'm considering this is to be allowed for calculation, and the work center is I'm going to use for capacity requirements as well as scheduling. So I am activating everything. Why? Because so in this particular work center I'm going to use this formula for capacity, and I'm going to use this formula for scheduling as well as costing also. Okay, so I have selected work center for capacity requirement and allowed for scheduling also. So this is for calculation purpose. Okay, so now I'm going to save. So for this I have already created one separate tr, so that is work center configuration tr. So there itself I'm going to save this. So my formula key is ready. So I'm going to use this formula key in my work center. Let me show you. Going to change work center. So CR02. So in this work center, I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this processing formula, that is set pp07, and scheduling also I'm going to use this formula as well as costing. So finally I'm going to save. Now I will display the things. So my capacity I'm using processing for machine time formula, and scheduling I'm using the machine processing formula, as well as costing also I'm using this. Okay, so this is how we need to create a work center formula, and we need to assign in the work center. I hope this class is enjoyed. Okay, let's see by next class. Thank you.